If art, technology, and nature is your thing, and planning a trip to Osaka, a visit to the TeamLab Botanical Garden is something you might want to consider. TeamLab Botanical Garden is located in the Nagai Botanical Garden at the Higashi-Sumiyashi Ward. Allow me to take you on a walking tour in the park. But before that, good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. First and foremost, ticket to the TeamLab Botanical Garden can be bought through its official website or through Book for 23 Australian dollars. To get there, the closest metro station is Nagai Station on the Fuji line. Follow signs for South Gate and exit via number 3. Walk 700 meters or about 12 minutes walk to get to the entrance. The park opens at 7:30 and closes at 9:30 in the evening. Make sure you have your QR code ready for streamlined entry to the park. Before you enter the park, introduction and safety instructions are played on the screen.
TeamLab Botanical Garden is a nighttime open-air museum that comes to life when the sun sets. At night, Nagai Botanical Garden and its seasonal flora turn into an art space created by TeamLab. The artworks here transform interactively through the actions of the people in the space. When people touch or get close to some of the artworks, the color of light and sound transform and spread continuously across the space. Flowers and other plants are part of the artworks. Experience a world where nature in its natural state becomes art. Check the venue map. Stand close to the artworks to read their descriptions. Take home a part of the artwork. Please refrain from using flash. There are dark areas and unpaved passageways. Please be aware that you may be asked to leave if you make loud noises, handle the artwork roughly, or disturb other visitors. There is no set route. Please walk around freely. We hope you enjoy TeamLab Botanical Garden.
Now that we are inside the garden, walk with me as I enjoy the light shows of the TeamLab Botanical Garden.
New Zealand has notified as well. Sorry, New Zealand has five as well. Poison spray, and they don't
Enjoy walking the ovoids gently. When walked, their colors of sound transform. Please refrain from shaking, hitting, kicking, or poking the artworks. Also, do not enter inside the ropes as it is dangerous. To commune the garden, enjoy walking the ovoids gently. When walked, their colors of sound transform. Please refrain from shaking, hitting, kicking, or poking the artworks.
Wag daw, gagalaw.
I will end this video with some photos I've taken during my walk. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead, hit that thumbs up to show me some support. Or better yet, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on my next video, but for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!